Two kids, same school, same day, but very different habits. This is Sophia. She loves good habits. And this is Dennis. He doesn't always make the best choices. Sophia wakes up early with a smile and full of energy. She brushes her teeth, makes her bed, and gets ready for school. Wow, great job, Sophia. But Dennis, on the other hand, is still sleeping. His alarm rings, but he doesn't wake up. He skips brushing his teeth and leaves his room very messy. Oh no, Dennis! Sophia leaves early and walks happily to school. She feels fresh and ready to learn. But Dennis is running late. He rushes out of the house and forgets important things. At school, Sophia listens carefully and answers questions. She is confident and happy. But Dennis feels exhausted and unprepared. He finds it very hard to keep up. After school, Sophia puts her bag away and does her homework. When she finishes, she goes out to play. But Dennis throws his bag on the floor and watches TV instead. Later, Dennis's mom asks, "Dennis, where's your homework?" Dennis looks worried. He forgot to do it. Uh-oh. Bad habits causes serious problems. At the playground, Sophia shares her toys and plays kindly. Everyone wants to play with her, but Dennis refuses to share. Slowly, the other kids walk away. Now look closely, friends. Sophia chose good habits, and her day went smoothly. But Dennis chose bad habits, and his day became stressful. Here is the secret. Small habits make a big difference. Good habits help your life become much easier and happier. Bad habits make things very difficult and exhausting. So, friends, wake up early, brush your teeth, go to school early, clean your room, do your homework, and be kind, because good habits help you become your best self.
So tell me, will you choose good habits like Sophia or bad habits like Dennis? See you next story time!